Do you want to earn hundreds of dollars every month? In this video, I'll share another brand new copy and paste method that you can use to earn money without ever having to reveal your face. I'll share with you the exact affiliate offers to advertise without cost. Additionally, I'll reveal a fully original method that only a few people know to get the targeted leads and traffic, so you may begin making $100 to thousands of dollars within 24 hours in this totally free method by utilizing 100% free web resources. Make sure you watch the video until the end because I'll show the entire process as well as the affiliate offer. I'll also demonstrate how to set everything up and how to get free traffic. Additionally, I'll provide you a copy and paste template at the end of the video, helping you from having to do any work at all. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. So, first things first, I'll show you the website that we'll use in this video. We'll use an entirely brand new traffic strategy. The website is called adcreative.ai. This is essentially an AI builder for ad creatives. It's a system with artificial intelligence that will assist you in creating various types of advertising creatives. For instance, you can build advertisements right here for any kind of brand or any kind of advertisement on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media sites. And the interesting thing is that this website collaborates with both Facebook and Google. As a result of their partnership, they currently have a lot of benefits. One of the deals you can get from this website is a $500 Google ad voucher. Therefore, every time you register for an account on this website, you can actually get $500 free Google Ads credits. Don't worry because we won't be using this Google Ads credit. Instead, you should scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. And just a quick reminder, their website is good, but because it's not optimized too well, it's also slow. Therefore, if a website is a little sluggish or seems to be irritating you, it's not always your internet. It can sometimes be the website itself. At the very bottom of this website, you'll see the affiliate link. Click on it and you'll be directed to this page where you can become a partner of adcreative.ai and start earning rewards. You'll see how much you can earn from this website. So if 10 people clicked on your affiliate link and signed up on the website, you'll be paid over $700 per month. And so if you just bring 100 of them, you'll be paid more than $7,000 per month or more than $1,500 per week. What's good about this strategy is that once you get people to sign up on the website, and if they will stay there, you can already make these profits automatically every month. Additionally, this website will provide you with a bonus as a reward. They will really pay you $10,000 bonus on top of the $74,000 that you will be making if you bring in a total of like 1,000 individuals. That's a great amount for a bonus. And since this is a long-term goal, you shouldn't expect to make $74,000 immediately. However, if you apply this strategy for the next 2 to 3 days, spending just 20 minutes per day, you may easily make $700 per week or even $1,000 per month. So what you need to do is to visit this website and follow the instructions to register as an affiliate. Now, click on this button that says Become a Partner. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to an external affiliate program that's being offered on the website partnerstack.com, where you can get your earnings. This website is where you'll establish your affiliate link. You just need to sign up using your Google account, or you can just use your email. Now, click the $500 free Google Ads credit. We won't be using the link on this page because I'm sure people won't sign up instantly on this link. So, let's copy the link to this page. Then, go back to the PartnerStack website and then paste the URL link here. Let's then create a custom referral link here. I'll put here $500 voucher and then put the date of today so it kinda looks updated or new. Then click the Create button. And now, here's the custom referral link. So as opposed to going to the main page, which only sells the software, this affiliate link will sell the software while also highlighting the $500 voucher. And from that, you can earn a commission. Let's now proceed on how to use Google and other free online resources to generate an endless source of targeted leads and customers who'll sign up using your affiliate link. Now what you should do is to go to google.com, and don't worry because there aren't any services that you have to pay for since everything here is free. Just be sure to pay close attention though, because although it might be technical, it will be worth it in the long run. Make sure you watch this part carefully, and if you can write it down, please do so and write down the step-by-step process. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. On the search tab, type in any local business, then space the quotation mark, and then type @gmail.com quotation mark. The local business can be anything you want. It can be a barista, retailer, hairdresser, makeup artist, or anything. For example, we'll search for a hairdresser, and I'll just add your local area or your country, and then just keep the @gmail.com. Now, click search. And so here, you'll see the list of search results, including the Gmail of the local businesses. Since getting all of their emails will take a lot of time, you're not actually required to go through each and every one of the search results. The next thing you'll actually want to do is press Ctrl+U, and these codes will pop up on your screen. If you're unfamiliar with these codes, don't worry because you won't have to do anything here but just press Ctrl+A and then select copy. And yes, you'll only need to copy the codes. The next step is to go to the website called Extract Email Address and just paste the text here. And then voila! All the email addresses from the search results will be extracted to right here. This makes our lives a lot easier because rather than doing this manually, you can easily get all of the emails by just using a free tool. Next step, visit this website where all commas will be added to the new lines. You should paste the email addresses here, and all you need to do is to delete the period from the end of each of these email addresses. So basically, this is everything you need to do. Consequently, commas will be used in place of the new lines. Then, just simply copy these email addresses and then go to your Gmail account. Compose a new email and then click BCC and then copy and paste all email addresses. The fact that you can do this on all of the Google pages, you can literally get thousands of targeted leads on Google's second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, and so on. Also, you shouldn't forget this part. You need to choose BCC when you send these emails because when recipients receive your email, they will receive it individually. Everyone would be able to tell that this is similar to a mass email sent to many individuals if you used the CC. So, if you use the BCC, each recipient will receive a distinct email, giving the impression that you're emailing each person individually. And so right now, all you need to do is to put the content of your email. And you don't have to think about it because I've already made a template for you. You can just copy and paste it into your email and then add your affiliate link. Simply enter the subject line into this field, followed by the email body, which you should copy and paste. Make sure to paste the affiliate link you have before sending the email. Simply open your email and then add your affiliate link right here and bold it. And as for this part, paste in the second affiliate link and bolden it as well. After editing the whole email, just click the send button. So, when they use your affiliate link, they'll immediately see this page. They'll notice that this free voucher is actually true, and when they sign up, they'll be given the option of a free trial first. As a result, they'll literally see that they may sign up for a $500 voucher for free, and you'll receive anywhere between $20 and $70 for each sign up. That's all for this video. Just share your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.